Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is switching frames. Switching frames means changing Selenium's focus from main page to a frame. Important rules regarding the switching frames are Selenium starts in default content. Element inside a frame are in different DOM. Without switching, Selenium cannot find the frame elements. Ways to switch frames are by index, by name or ID, or by web element, as discussed earlier. But by index will be quick but risky if frame order changes. So we use by mostly by name or ID. By web element is the safest and most reliable way. After finishing frame operations, always switch back using switch to default content. Here in the sample script, if you see, the editor is inside a frame. Here, this particular editor is inside a frame. It is inside 0 index. Then I try to access it directly, Selenium fails. Now I am switching to the frame. After switching, I can read the text or edit the text in that particular element. Once my work is done here, I will switch back to the default content. This is how frame switching works in Selenium automation. This is same as previous example, but only highlighting the importance of switching frames. So frame issues are context issues, not locator issues. Always switch back after frame operation. Once we have done the operation inside the frame, we need to switch back to the default content. Use web element based switching for stability. I will run the script and see how it works. Previous example, the same way it will run. We will load the page. We will read the text property of that particular element. You see here, it has read the text property. It has printed. And now if I press enter, it will be closed.